At-Takathur, the vying with one another to excel. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
ألهاكم التكاثر.
O people, your vying with one another to excel in multiplying worldly possessions divert you from God and true values of life.
حتى زرتم المقابر.
Until on your death you embrace the graves.
كلا سوف تعلمون.
Nay, you should never hanker after worldly gains, power, and position. You shall come to know in time that you have been chasing a shadow.
ثم كلا سوف تعلمون.
Nay, again, we repeat, never should you misuse your life of probation. You shall come to know the consequences of it in time.
كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين.
No, never, if you only knew the consequences thereof, with sure and certain knowledge.
لترون الجحيم.
You will certainly see the very hellfire in this present life by seeing the sad fate of the wicked.
ثم لترونها عين اليقين.
Again, you shall most certainly see it in the hereafter with the eye of certainty.
ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم.
And then on that day of reckoning, you shall be called to account for the favors bestowed upon you.